Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, is poised for a major year in 2024, with new models, production ramp-ups, and expanding global reach. According to Google Trends, search interest for Tesla has been on the rise in recent months, with a particular spike in interest in the upcoming Cybertruck model. On YouTube, Tesla videos have been watched over 100 billion times, making it one of the most popular auto brands on the platform. In this video, we'll take a look at what's in store for Tesla in 2024, including the latest on the Cybertruck, production updates, and the company's global expansion plans. So stay tuned for an in-depth look at Tesla's exciting future. The year 2024 is shaping up to be a major one for Tesla, the electric vehicle (EV) pioneer. The company is poised to launch new models, ramp up production, and expand its global reach. Here's a look at what's in store for Tesla in 2024. New models. Cybertruck. The long-awaited Cybertruck is finally slated for production in 2024. The futuristic-looking truck with its stainless steel exoskeleton and crabwalk mode has been generating a lot of buzz since its unveiling in 2019. Tesla Cybertruck. Model S and Model X refresh. Tesla is expected to refresh its flagship Model S and Model X sedans and SUVs in 2024. The refresh is expected to include updated interior and exterior styling, as well as new powertrains. Production ramp UPS. Model 3/Y. Tesla is continuing to ramp up production of its Model 3 and Model Y sedans and SUVs. The company is currently producing these vehicles at its Fremont, California factory and its Giga Shanghai factory in China. Cybertruck. Tesla is also planning to ramp up production of the Cybertruck at its Giga Texas factory in Austin, Texas. The company is expected to produce 500,000 Cybertrucks per year at full capacity. Global expansion. New factories. Tesla is planning to build new factories in Europe and Germany. The company is also expanding its presence in China, where it is currently building a new factory in Shanghai. Service centers. Tesla is also expanding its network of service centers around the world. The company is planning to open new service centers in North America, Europe, and Asia. In addition to new models, production ramp-ups, and global expansion, Tesla is also working on a number of other initiatives in 2024. These initiatives include full self-driving, FSD. Tesla is continuing to develop its FSD software, which is designed to enable its vehicles to drive themselves without human intervention. Battery technology. Tesla is also investing heavily in battery technology. The company is developing new battery cells and battery packs with the goal of increasing range and reducing costs. Solar and energy storage. Tesla is also expanding its solar and energy storage business. The company is offering a variety of solar panels and energy storage products for homes and businesses. Tesla is a major player in the automotive industry, and it is only going to get bigger in the years to come. The company is poised to continue to innovate and disrupt the industry, and 2024 is shaping up to be a major year for Tesla. Additional key points. Tesla is expected to deliver over 1.5 million vehicles in 2024. Tesla is expected to generate over $100 billion in revenue in 2024. Tesla is expected to become the world's most valuable automaker in 2024. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching our video about Tesla in 2024. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Tesla is an exciting company with a lot of potential. We're excited to see what the future holds for Tesla. If you're interested in learning more about Tesla, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be sure to post more videos about Tesla in the future.